In this module, we will review how to leverage the automation built into N-Central and how to optimize and customize automation using scripts and policies. Automating managed services through N-Central has multiple benefits. Reduce time performing routine tasks and ensure repetitive but important work is performed on time. Minimize the possibility of human error. Standardize service delivery in keeping with service level agreements. Focus on prevention versus reaction to problems. One way to automate asset management is through linking tasks into scheduled task profiles, bundling services into service templates, associating triggers with notification profiles, and configuring those elements through a rule. Maintenance windows are programmed periods of time when devices with agents installed can be configured to automatically complete install, upgrade, and reboot tasks. Maintenance windows can be created for downtime, to schedule maintenance for features and integrations, and to schedule reboots. The N-Central script and software repository contains scripts and automation policies. Both can be applied to scheduled tasks to further automate processes. Deleting temporary files, creating a log file, and locking a Windows workstation are examples of scripts. Stopping a Windows service, clearing the DNS cache on a server, and creating an Office 365 user are examples of automation policy tasks. Configuring scheduled task profiles to include scripts and automation policies reduces manual processes when using resources included in N-Central. Sometimes it is necessary to use situation-specific automation commands. The developer portal includes scripts and automation policies from N-Central's global partner network. These resources are available for download to individual N-Central accounts. To further customize automation in N-Central, the Automation Manager is a downloadable application that uses a drag-and-drop interface to design custom policies. Automation Manager policies, or AMPs, are built around objects and actions. Once saved, they can be applied via the script and software repository.